To convert Keynote to Google Slides, start by opening your Keynote presentation on your Mac or iOS device. Click on the File menu and select Export to then select PowerPoint. This will save your Keynote file in a format that can be easily imported into Google Slides. Next, go to your Google Drive account and click on the New button, then select File, then Upload Files. Select the PowerPoint file you just exported from Keynote. Google Drive will upload and convert the file to Google Slides format. Alternatively, you can also use the Google Slides import feature. Open Google Slides and click on the File menu, then select Import, then Upload. Select the Keynote file you want to convert and Google Slides will automatically convert it to its format. It is essential to note that some formatting and design elements may not transfer perfectly from Keynote to Google Slides. To minimize any potential issues, it is recommended to use standard fonts and avoid using complex animations or graphics. Once the file is uploaded and converted, you can edit and share your presentation using Google Slides. You can also collaborate with others in real time and access your presentation from any device with an internet connection. In addition to converting Keynote files, Google Slides also supports importing presentations from other formats, including PowerPoint and OpenOffice. This makes it easy to work with presentations created in different software and collaborate with others who may be using different tools. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily convert your Keynote presentations to Google Slides and take advantage of the collaboration and sharing features that Google Slides has to offer. This can help you to work more efficiently and effectively with others, and to create professional-looking presentations that can be accessed from anywhere.